Just checking my mic. My mic's working, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Just making sure. Last two are cut out, so just making sure I'm not talking. No one's hearing me. Anyway, welcome to Lover's Cove Marine Preserve. This is one of the oldest marine preserves in the state of California. Ever since May of 1960, there's been no fishing, netting, trapping, spearing, or harvesting of any marine life out of here. And we're usually greeted by this really thick, dense bladder kelp forest. This is our California bladder kelp right here. There's even a bigger variant of it called bull kelp, but this kind has tiny little air pockets or bladders. You've probably seen it all over the beach if you're from California. Yeah, this is the same stuff. It's grown all over the island. It likes a rocky bottom usually. It holds fast to the bottom, so that's what they call the root that actually grabs on. It usually grabs onto big rocks or something like that. They call it a hold fast. And it's actually one of the fastest growing plants on the planet. It can actually grow up to 2 feet a day under good circumstance. Not uncommon for it to grow up to 30 to 60 foot in a week. So very fast growing plant, provides a lot of utility for the marine environment, such as shade, shelter, oxygen. Also provides a nursery for some fish. They lay their eggs in kelp. You're probably already seen fish down there. Wow, the visibility is actually really good today. It looks like it's about 40 foot. So you can see a lot of stuff down there. It's actually the first real day within the past couple months that I've seen the visibility this good. So it looks really, really nice today. Gonna see a lot of fish today. Anyway, so at our first feeding area here, usually I throw some food in, back up over it so you guys can see the fish eating underneath it.